What's the meaning of BQ? BQ. BQ.
BQ. BQ. BQ stands for becquerel, which is the unit used to measure the activity of a radioactive source. It is defined as 1 nuclear disintegration per second. The higher the activity of a radioactive source, the more BQ it will have. This measurement is important in understanding the potential risks and hazards associated with exposure to radioactive materials. In practical terms, the number of BQ present in a material determines the level of precautions that must be taken when handling it. For example, a low level of BQ may require simple protective measures, while a high level may require more sophisticated and stringent safety protocols. Overall, understanding the meaning of BQ is fundamental for managing the risks associated with exposure to radiation, both for individuals and society as a whole.